The Rainbow Picnic Rescue. Welcome to Kid Learning, where friends have fun. Ready to join Lulu and pals? Meet Lulu the Lamb. She's all smiles and loves a cheerful picnic adventure. Here comes Pippa the Parrot. Bright feathers and endless chatter make her fun to be around. And here's Benny the Bear. Big, strong, a little clumsy, but always kind-hearted. Today's special, a rainbow picnic. What yummy treats will our friends bring? Lulu's got sweet red berries that look so delicious. Pippa shares crunchy yellow seeds, perfect for a tasty snack. Uh-oh, Benny's honey jar is empty. What a sticky situation. Poor Benny feels sad without his honey. Would you help a friend who's feeling down? Lulu pats Benny's paw gently. Helping friends feels so good, doesn't it? Pippa flaps her wings with a bright idea. Let's find some honey. The friends whisper a plan. Teamwork makes the dream work. Off they march through meadows, chasing honey and smiles. Lulu skips ahead gleefully, leading the way like a true explorer. Pippa soars high, scanning below, eyes like a hawk spotting treasure. Benny lumbers along, trying not to trip. You can do it, Benny. Look, Pippa spots a buzzing beehive high in the tree. But the bees are busy buzzing all around. How can we ask politely? Lulu offers pretty flowers to the bees. Sweet kindness goes a long way. The bees nod happily and share some golden honey. Yay, teamwork! Benny holds a jar of honey, beaming wide. Sweet victory. They hurry back through the meadow, excited to share the treat. Lulu spreads the blanket again. Almost time to feast. Pippa sprinkles her crunchy seeds all around the plates. And Benny pours honey on his plate, happy to share his sweet treat. Look at that colorful picnic, berries, seeds, and honey ready to enjoy. Lulu munches berries with a big smile. Yum, yum, yum. Pippa crunches her seeds, feathers bouncing to the beat. Benny licks honey with delight, hat tipping as he enjoys every drop. Friends laugh and giggle on the blanket. Doesn't friendship feel great? They play. Lulu tosses berries, Pippa loops in the air, so much fun. Benny tries juggling honey jars. Oops! One drops with a clump. They dance, bounce the blanket, and watch the rainbow glow even brighter. Suddenly, Pippa's wing gets stuck in a paper chain. Uh-oh, stuck. Benny gently lifts the chain off. Strong and careful, that's our bear. Pippa flaps free, spreading wings wide. Thanks, Benny, you're a hero. Lulu claps and cheers. Great job, Benny. Everyone's feeling so proud. They share hugs under the sparkling rainbow. Helping each other feels amazing. Lulu helps tie Benny's hat ribbon. Pippa brings a lost berry. Everyone shares and cares. Benny carries Pippa's seed pouch. Lulu fixes paper chains. Teamwork all around. Pippa fans Benny with her wings, and they decorate with bright flowers. Helping is caring. The sun sets golden over the picnic. What a perfect day of friendship and fun. Now it's time to sing. Friends help friends. Oh, what fun. Together we shine bright, just like the sun in the sky. Kids join in with big smiles. Come on, sing with us. Let's dance under the rainbow, moving and grooving with friends. Time to pack up, but remember, helping friends makes the perfect day. Thanks for joining our adventure today. What was your favorite part? Remember, helping friends always makes everyone happy inside. How do you help your friends? Tell us below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.